Who knew that diesel actually gels if it gets too cold? I didn't know. You might have known, but I didn't know. So it's January here at the Cache Ranch, and we had a massive cold front. Now, I'm from the West Coast, so when I say massive, I mean, I guess maybe in California, the coldest I've ever probably experienced is probably late 20s. But when we came out here the other day, it was -6. I have never experienced cold like that. Slight breeze, and it felt like my face was gonna fall off. But one of the things that I learned was that diesel fuel can actually congeal. I went out to start the tractor the other day to start getting some land cleared, and the thing wouldn't start. What do? I got this little Kubota B26 tractors. We've loved this little tractor just to kind of work the ground a little bit here and kind of prep some of the garden stuff and pull out some stumps with the backhoe attachment and all this other kind of stuff. But I'm gonna try and start this tractor right now and see if it's gonna work, or if I have to use go different measures here to try and get this fuel decongealed, and so that we can start the tractor. All right, come on, baby, don't make me look dumb in front of the whole YouTube world. Right now it has warmed up to a balmy 32 degrees, so we're gonna see if this is enough to let the fuel kind of go back to being fuel, and if it'll start. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. He started. Woo! Well, I'm glad the tractor started for this video, but I was told that if it didn't start, this is the stuff I was supposed to use again. This is all brand new to me, so you know, I barely know any of this stuff, but learning every day, and it's called this Diesel 911 for winter emergencies, and then the actual you know, supplement to prep and be ready in case it happens again, or we're gonna have a cold front go through. So anti-gel.